Hi, this is John with WTI. Like this sweet bar comes and says kind, it is really kind of a taste. So this bar is really good. This is the cranberry and almond bar. And there's a few things that I like the most about this. Even though it's sweet, it's not too overly sweet. And that's exactly what I need. Whenever I'm about to do a sport, whenever I'm about to go and eat outside or need something, I'm always craving and eating different things. I always try to get a good option when it comes to having safe, not too overly sweet, and I'm getting some good nutrients in exchange of what I'm eating. So every time I'm about to do these exercises or go to the gym, play basketball, play soccer, something that I do very often. This one, I always try to get one of these guys in my backpack or near in my car, like I'm always eating all the time, and having a convenient and at the same time tasty option like this one. It's pretty good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.